If you're considering buying BigBlueButton for your webinars, here are 12 things you need to know before making a decision. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how it compares to other webinar software options, so you can make an informed choice. First off, BigBlueButton is an open source webinar software, meaning it's free to use, but you will need to host it yourself or find a hosting provider. Unlike more mainstream options like Zoom or GoToWebinar, BigBlueButton gives you full control over your setup, but that comes with the responsibility of managing your server. The second thing to know is its focus on education. BigBlueButton is often favored by educational institutions for its interactive features, like real-time whiteboarding and breakout rooms. These are great for classrooms, but if you're looking for something more suited to corporate webinars or large-scale events, you might want to keep looking. Next thing, scalability. BigBlueButton can handle small to medium-sized webinars well, but scaling to thousands of attendees could be a challenge. If you need to host massive events regularly, competitors like Zoom or WebEx are designed with better scalability in mind. The fourth thing you should consider is its user interface. While functional, BigBlueButton's interface isn't as polished or intuitive as some other platforms. If ease of use is your priority, software like Webinar Jam or Demio offers a more user-friendly experience. The fifth thing is customization. BigBlueButton is open source, which means you can modify the software to suit your needs. However, this requires technical expertise. If you're not a developer, platforms like Zoom or Microsoft Teams provide a more user-friendly experience without needing customization. The sixth thing to know is its recording features. BigBlueButton allows you to record your webinars, but the quality isn't always on par with what you get from paid services like Zoom. The recorded videos can also be harder to manage, especially if you're working with long sessions. Next thing is support. BigBlueButton doesn't come with built-in customer support unless you pay for third-party hosting. Unlike platforms like Zoom or GoToWebinar, which offer extensive customer service and resources, you'll need to rely on community support or hire professionals for help. The eighth thing is the integrations. BigBlueButton integrates with learning management systems, LMS, like Moodle and Canvas, which is fantastic for educational environments, but it lacks the broad range of integrations available with other webinar platforms. If you're using CRM tools or marketing automation, you may find it lacking. The ninth thing is security. BigBlueButton offers a secure environment, but like any self-hosted solution, it's only as secure as the server you run it on. With services like Zoom or Microsoft Teams, security is handled for you, which can be a big advantage for businesses that need peace of mind. The 10th thing you should be aware of is pricing. Since BigBlueButton is open source, it's technically free. However, if you need to scale or get reliable support, you'll need to pay for hosting, which can add up. For larger businesses, this can quickly become more expensive than a subscription service like GoToWebinar. The 11th thing is its mobile support. BigBlueButton works on mobile devices, but the experience is not as smooth or consistent as it is on desktop. If your audience is mostly mobile, platforms like Zoom or Livestorm offer a more reliable mobile experience. Finally, BigBlueButton is a good choice for those who have the technical expertise to manage a self-hosted system and are looking for a cost-effective solution, especially for educational purposes. However, if you're looking for a platform with more polished features, better support, and a seamless experience, you might want to check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.